Types of Indian breads. Fulka prepared from wheat dough whose one side is cooked on a tawa and the other side directly on heat. And the fulka puffs up into a ball due to accumulation of steam inside it. Plain parathas are mainly made with whole wheat flour that is kneaded using salt, oil, and water. The dough is then rolled into layered and cooked on a hot griddle with some ghee or oil until both the sides get golden brown spots. Stuffed parathas are made usually from wheat flour, atta, same as plain paratha with vegetable stuffing inside or with some layering. Naan is a yeast-leavened bread which is made from all-purpose flour, traditionally baked in a clay oven called a tandoori. Tandoori roti is a round flatbread made from stone-ground whole wheat flour, salt, and water that is combined into a dough, traditionally baked in a clay oven called a tandoori. Puri is a deep, fat, fried bread made from unleavened whole wheat flour, and it is usually served with a savory curry, like potato curry or chana masala. Masala puri is a variation of puri. Basically, these are unleavened, spiced fried whole wheat bread. Spices are used in the dough, which gives the puri a unique taste and flavor. Varieties of masala puri: potato puri, peas puri, minced mix vegetable puri. Bhatura is a deep-fried leavened bread made with all-purpose flour, salt, and a leavening agent. Chola bhatura is a popular combo of this puffed fried bread served with a spicy chickpea curry. Bhakri is a type of unleavened flatbread. Bhakri is usually made from a sorghum flour known as jowar. It can also be made with different kinds of millet, such as nakhni and bajra. Some versions are made from wheat or rice flour as well. The pla is a flatbread similar to paratha, made of whole wheat flour, oil, and spice powders like turmeric, red chili powder, etc. To make variations of the pla, ingredients like millet flour, besan, curd, fenugreek leaves, or grated bottle gourd are used. Miss roti is a flatbread made with gram flour and whole wheat flour. 12. Akki roti. It is made of rice flour which is mixed with salt and water and kneaded well till the dough gets soft. Sliced onions and carrots, chopped dill leaves, chopped coriander, cumin seeds, and sesame seeds can also be added while kneading the dough and cooked in griddle. Kulcha is a flatbread made with white flour, and it is cooked in a tandoori, or on a griddle, and it is usually brushed with ghee while served. Varieties of kulcha: aloo kulcha and paneer kulcha. Luchi is a deep-fried bread which made with all-purpose flour, salt, and ghee, or oil. Methi puri is a crispy, deep-fried Indian bread, or puri, which is prepared from plain flour and chopped methi, fenugreek, leaves, and spices. Makki ki roti is a gluten-free flatbread mainly made with maize flour and ghee. It is a winter staple bread during winters, often served with saag. Rice puri is a soft fried bread made with rice flour and other spices and served with choice of pickles and curries. Matar kachori is a crispy and flaky, deep-fried pastry stuffed with tangy, spicy green peas filling. Dibba roti is primarily made from urad dal, husked split black gram, and rice. The rice is in the form of rava, which is nothing but rice ground to fine, and no fermentation is required to make dibba roti. Ragi roti. It is made of finger millet flour. The ragi flour is mixed with salt and water and kneaded well to come up with a soft dough. While making the dough, sliced onions and carrots, chopped coriander, and cumin seeds can also be added for taste and then cooked. Oil is spread over a griddle. Valapith is a spiced flat bread, prepared mainly with a combination of flours, with the addition of spices like coriander, cumin, onion, and other veggies. Rumali roti is prepared from unleavened dough of wheat, flour, and white flour, sieved together and further kneaded with milk and salt. The dough is then kept aside for about 30 minutes. These extremely thin and supple rotis are cooked on an inverted kadai and folded. To get the handkerchief-like thinness, chefs spin the dough in the air.